I just feel like so many people are like, look, I'm going to give you my dollars and you're going to make my phone ring. All right, ready, set, go. That's not always how easy it is. Like, it's not all like, yes, it was like that in 2019 and 2020,
Yep.
2021. You could say, hey, digital agency, here's $10,000, make my phone ring. But that wasn't the case this year. So I think a lot of people were like, all right, we're going to wait on this demand. We're going to wait on this demand. And it never actually showed up. And meanwhile, you had other people out there who were generating their own demand and they were doing a great job. So yeah, so outside of maintenance and local branding, I think demand generation, a lot of people missed the ball on that. And it might honestly be because it hasn't been something that's needed. Everyone's always just put their hooks out in the water and waited for people to bite rather than going out and actually trying to cast a net and see what they can pull into the boat.